Hey everybody, it's Tracy from Passionately Intrigued Arts. Hello everybody, how are you doing? I wanted to come on and do a quick video with this growing journey I'm on. So I got my package from Mona and Georgia Peach Nut Garden, and it is what I can't remember. It starts with the E. It's not eucalyptus. It is um y'all know that one that starts with the E. Well, it says contents atom. What is it called? Oh my goodness, I got a brain fart. Lord have mercy. Well, I'm gonna have to figure it out and type it in the edit when I before I post this. Why can't I think of it? Echinacea? I don't know. I don't know. Terrible. But anyway, I bought a sprig or a piece or a, I don't know what they call it. Oh, it's two of them. Let's see. A cutling from the tree of whatever it's called. Y'all forgive me. I have some timers. Let's see. Let me turn the TV down. Oh, we got some buds. We got some buds. So I'm about to plant these in here. I know I'm probably going to have to transplant them. I think I put them in dirt. I don't know if I put them in water. Lord Jesus help me. I don't know. I'm trying to turn my TV down. I'm watching the hypathon. Well, I can't quite get it down. So I got some rocks in here for the drainage, and I got a little soil down there, and it's mixed with some coffee grinds. But oh no, I guess I just stick the sticks in dirt. I guess when I post this, somebody can let me know if I did it right. I don't even know if it's upside down or right side up. Okay, that looks like it might go that way. So let me just kind of stick it, see if they'll stand up. And I probably should have one per pot. I don't know. Is that going to be too low? Maybe I need, okay. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Let me put some dirt in first. Let me build this dirt up, and then I'll just stick them down in the dirt. Yeah. Ooh-wee. I'm trying to learn. I am trying to learn. I should have did a live so I could have some of the gardeners homestead come up with me. But I just want to do this right quick. Oh, yeah, and get dirt everywhere. Okay, slow down, slow down. You don't have to do it that fast. Build this dirt up. And it's this potting soil. It's a seed starting potting mix, but it's full of nutrients and yada yada. So it should be good. Just move it around and then stand these up, I suppose. Or am I supposed to put these in water? I don't even know. Help me, y'all. Maybe I better separate them a little bit. Okay, I don't know. There's one. I think they go like this. I bet you I'm supposed to put these in water. All my gardening friends, once this is posted, please let me know if I did this right or what. Or what. I'm going to put some more dirt, fill it up so they can stand up in here good because I got to water. Lord help me. It's probably way too much dirt. I don't know. Let me just pack it a little bit around these. I'm gonna give it some water and call it a day. That is all, y'all. Somebody let me know what I'm doing, if I did this right, or do they go in water, or do I need to separate them, or is this too much dirt? or what? I don't know. But thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Peace and love. And we'll see you soon. Oh wait, I'm back. There was something else in the bag. Wait a minute. So that was called Adam. This looked like it's called John. So you know what? I know this is not gonna be big enough. I'm gonna just stick this in the dirt too, and just wait to hear from somebody, or I'm going to reach out to one of my gardening friends, one of my new friends, to see what in the world was I supposed to do, or did I do things right? I'm just not feeling like I'm doing things right. If I can get this open, they got a lot of tape on it. Maybe I'll reach out to Georgia Peach Nut Garden, or Gina, or Fifi, or David, or somebody. Okay, what we got here? We got another stick. So this must be a different species, a different type. I'm just gonna stick it in the dirt. I'm sifting some soil. Okay, Mona? I got my hands in the dirt. Okay? Hands in the dirt. Or yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna get some water. I'm not gonna do that on camera. I just came back. Let me make sure that's all that was in there. Okay. Peace and love. Later.